Thousands of drone experts, military companies, and AI tech startups are here in Detroit right now for one reason. Because the future of warfare is going autonomous. We're here at XPONENTIal 2026, hosted by AUVSI, basically the biggest drone and robotics show in the world. And under the same roof at the same time here at Huntington Place is MDEX, Michigan's largest defense conference. How do you think drones are shaping the way we look at military these days?
It's growing like crazy. You'd be a fool to deny that we're not going to see a bigger military presence in drones. I think it's going to save a lot of lives. Like, this is for preservation. And that's what I hope the focus is moving forward, is in that preservation.
Here's the beauty of the military is they get to operate less encumbered by our regulations to an extent. And in the case of war, they get to play by whatever rules they want. For as bad as war is, it does have its plus sides, and innovation is one of those. Innovate or die.
With modern warfare changing fast, ZenaDrone is pushing to stay right at the front of that movement.
The ZD-1000 is our flagship military and defense drone. It has enhanced sensor intelligence and a secure cargo system, which makes it the ideal solution for anything defense-based. In this game here, whoever sees further and faster wins, which makes the ZD-1000 the perfect solution and future-proof.
The future of defense is moving towards smarter, faster, fully autonomous drone systems working together in ways we're only starting to see here at XPONENTIal. And for ZenaDrone, that future isn't too far away.